HSC forecast video update for Wednesday afternoon and evening and Thursday afternoon and evening. Okay, well, what's all the fuss about? There is a pretty strong surface trough which is crossing southwest parts of Queensland and northern New South Wales this afternoon and this evening. It is producing very strong winds. We've also observed dust storms around Quilpie, and you can see there a good line of thunderstorms with lightning and some generally light rain activity there. It was never expected to produce much rain, more so strong winds and frequent lightning strikes we can see which are occurring there. This system is pushing east, all right, and it will reach the coast tomorrow afternoon. Let's move on and have a quick look at that now. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and what I'm showing you here is the low-level winds, where they come together from the northeast and the southerly change follows, and that is where your thunderstorms trigger. So if this is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, this is from BSCH GFS charts, Brisbane Storm Chasers. From Roma to Gundawindi and down towards, I guess, say Armidale at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, this is where the surface trough is positioned. Given the time of morning, we wouldn't expect to see too many thunderstorms at this time due to the lack of heating, but there might be some showers and residual rain areas pushing through here. As the day progresses, the surface trough rapidly moves east. It is a fast mover, so that's why we're not expecting any real decent rainfall totals from this one. By 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, it's stretching from about Taroom through Dalby, Toowoomba, Warwick, Lismore, off the northeast New South Wales coast, but it's still yet to reach the southeast coast of Queensland. So any time after 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, you expect to see a line of thunderstorms moving through and heading towards the coast at a great rate of knots. If we move on to the upper level temperatures, this is what we look for instability and support upstairs, right up higher. And we want to see cool temperatures up here, and we do have that in place tomorrow over southeast Queensland, northeast New South Wales. These cool temperatures often can lead to large hail because the warm moist air is sucked up into the very cold atmosphere there. You can see minus 14, and these rapidly freeze and produce hail. So we'll have to keep an eye out for large hail tomorrow, but damaging winds are certainly the main threat. If we want to have a look at the instability charts, these are lifted index. Dark blue shaded areas indicate high instability, and purple areas generally indicate extreme instability. You can see there it is over Brisbane. These have been fluctuating and bouncing around a little bit. At some stages it was from Emerald to Taroom and off the Sunshine Coast, leaving Brisbane and northeast New South Wales with a fine day. So that's why we've left things a little bit late, just to make sure that the models were locking it in. If we move on to the thunderstorm forecast charts here from BSCH, you can see there red is possibly severe. Definitely targeting the southeast coast there and extreme parts of northeast New South Wales. Orange is thunderstorms likely. Yellow is thunderstorms a chance. These are automatically generated charts and give good probabilities. So why the 7-day storm outbreak we've mentioned? Well, if you have a look at the 8-day bomb rainfall forecasts totals, you can see basically from Rockhampton to Longreach South, also down into New South Wales, and the southeast quarter of Queensland over the next 8 days, there are back-to-back thunderstorm days expected. A lot of these will be through inland parts, which is great to see. However, we do expect on some days too over the next period of the 7 days that we do see these push through to the coast. Okay, so we'll keep refining forecasts for this. Don't forget we are offering, and we do have, the Higgins Storm Chasing Premium membership service over on our website. Over here we have detailed forecasts, we have weather news, the week ahead, long range, weather education, live weather with plenty of links and member support. If you scroll down here and have a look at our thunderstorm chart for tomorrow, which I can bring up into a larger format, you can see there that storms are likely for southeast Queensland, central Queensland, moderate risk, damaging winds, heavy rain, hail, frequent lightning. You can see our colour shaded areas there, basically from Casino, Byron Bay, Gold Coast, Brisbane, Ipswich, Sunshine Coast, Gympie. We do have a little pocket up here around Rockhampton, so keep an eye on that. But all in general, it will be the central east and southeast regions that will see thunderstorms tomorrow. So please head over and consider becoming a member on Higgins storm chasing. It is $25 a year, which covers Australia. We now cover Australia 365 days a year. Storm forecasts, snow, rain, cyclones, the lot. Yep, we're busy, but that's our commitment to our HSC Premium members. All right, guys, stay safe tomorrow. Be aware. Prepare in the morning. Secure any loose items. If you're in Southeast Queensland tomorrow, before you go to work or head off, make sure your outdoor tables and chairs or your washing secure on your line. Anything loose, just chuck it away, because there are expected to be quite some strong winds with this system. All right, not a lot of rain will come through. Not everywhere may get it. There's going to be isolated pockets of severe cells, but we do expect a fair line of them to start out here on the downs and then push through towards the east. Stay safe, everyone.